Alright, let's get over this. Prepare some tissues for this emotional video.
Where's Brother Tiny Sheffield? Hey, Black Woden, Black Ewan. Ready to cook up some more episodes? Black on a brilliant black.
Yeah, I don't think they're gonna make more episodes.
Canceled? Bloody me, canceled.
Yeah, I know, right? I agree with you.
But listen, Bluey had training, but she'll behave on set, I promise. But I have black ears that will blow your mind. I've been... But with Brother Blebby.
I agree. Nickelodeon, why did you break his heart? You know he wants awards. You should be ashamed.
But about Wob. Brother Jen. Cake. Patty. Brown cake. Where? But all my friends. Right. But I understand. I love you too. Bye.
No! No way. Oh, God, no. Nickelodeon, you made him cry. How could you? You monsters. First, you just removed all of your shows on Paramount Plus, and then now this. You better not do this to your upcoming shows.